Hey everybody, Chris and Tanya with Clutter Reduction Junk Removal in Palm Beach County, Florida. And we are at a memory care right now, cleaning out all the items in the unit. The father had passed away, unfortunately. And for this unit, this is actually a lot of furnished items that come with the facility. So we don't have to remove a lot of the furniture. We're mainly just getting rid of the couch, the little desk in the corner, the little coffee table. And then we're cleaning out all the stuff in all of the dresser drawers, all of the items in the armoire, and then in the bathroom there are a bunch of towels and linens. Some of them are not going though. The white set stays with the facility, and overall this shouldn't be too bad of a job. It's all just the little stuff.
And with the little stuff, even though on a job like this there may not be a lot of furniture to donate, the little things are great because we can donate small things like that to shelters, to people really in need. So like a lot of times in these type of jobs, we'll find that people have 5 shampoos, 5 bottles of lotion, and those are great things to donate to the homeless shelters or any type of shelters available.
And then of course the clothing and the clean linen and stuff we can donate as well.
Yeah.
So overall, although it's not a lot that we're taking besides this big couch, which I don't know if we'll be able to get donated. It's an older type and it has a few stains on it. We'll see. I can definitely probably donate the little secretary desk over there and this coffee table. So with this couch, there's a couple of ways we could take it out. One, we could put the dolly on the back side and leave it stable, but I don't think it'll clear the door because it's a taller back. The second thing is to put it on a hand truck and stand it up, but when we get to the door, we'd have to stand it up and kind of wiggle it out, and they are doing a little senior dancing thing like right up front, so try not to make any commotion. I could flip it on its front and take it apart in 3 sections and take them out one at a time, but that takes a lot of effort. So what we're gonna do instead to save time and energy is put the dolly on the nose of the couch, which is this front part here. Now it's gonna wanna tip forward. I'm gonna have to control it when I go out the door. And then I can flip it up and put it on its back where it's more stable and secure. When I get to the door though, just because it's on the nose doesn't mean that the back is still gonna make it out. So what I'm gonna have to do is angle the couch like this to feed it through. So I'll show that real quick in case you guys have the same problem. If you wanna avoid the technique hassle, then you can just take it apart. We just don't wanna spend the time if we don't have to. So with this, we've made 2 videos about this in the past. This bar here, this long bar running all the way across, this long bar here, they have these little floor guards and there's screws in them. Usually they're Phillips. These you would have to just take apart across the whole front and bottom, and that would separate these into their individual spots. So this would become 3 sections. And then at that point, you could either take it out with a hand truck, or what we would normally do is probably put a dolly on the side of each one. That way we could hook it out a door like you're turning right with a truck and trailer. So I am still going to put it on its nose, and if for any reason maybe it's still too wide and this is gonna risk hitting the door, then I will take the time to do it. I would just rather not because we're in memory care and it's already time consuming to go through the alarm doors. So I already got it on its nose, which is the part of the couch. your back of your knees touch when you sit. I can move Dolly over here. And you can just steer it with your foot. Try to get it relatively in the middle. Now, like I mentioned earlier, just because this is on this nose doesn't mean it's stable. It wants to tip down. If I let go with this arm, this will tip down. When I get to the door, this isn't gonna make it out the door. What I'm gonna have to do is, when I get to the door, I'm gonna have to, I'll use my right leg to keep the pressure on it, and I'll pull this upwards. Now, by doing this, I'm creating more of a diamond. The couch just got shorter. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but width-wise, it just got shorter to go through the door. And I will angle this as much as I need to, which is why it's important to get the dolly balanced. You don't want the dolly too far forward. You don't want the dolly too far forward, because if you tip too far and it doesn't have the corner to land on, it will just slip off. Get back. So now we're gonna go out the door and we'll see if we clear. You don't have to. You could if it was like a Lacoste patch, but the point is to see